Okay, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make uh, cheesy ground pork quesadillas, 3 ways. So first, I'm gonna do the ground pork with cheese and these onions and bell pepper. And then next is cheese, ground pork, and the cream cheese and spinach. And then the third one is cheese, ground pork, and then marshmallow and chocolate chips. Okay. So, okay, these are all the ingredients. I have shredded cheese. I put 2 kinds of cheeses of this one. And then I have onions, bell pepper, uh, cream cheese, spinach, and then I have butter. And by the way, this is the dipping sauce when we eat the quesadillas. This dipping sauce, I 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and then a squeeze of lemon, okay? And mix it together. Okay, so this is the dipping sauce. And we need butter, and then marshmallow, chocolate chips, ground pork. I cook the ground pork, saute the onions, the garlic, and then the ground pork, and I put black pepper, soy sauce, and then oyster sauce. So this is it, the ground pork. Okay? And then I have that tortilla. Okay? So I'm gonna start now. First, I'm gonna do the uh, ground pork, cheese, ground pork, and then this onions and bell pepper. Okay? We just put the half. Hmm. Okay, half. And then half of this one also, the pork. Okay, next, this one. And then a little bell pepper. And then a cheese again, so that when we put it like that, the cheese will melt at the back and this part also when we flip it over. Okay. Then we're gonna do like that. Hmm. Okay. And then we're gonna put this here first on the plate like that, because we're gonna put this one in the pan when we finish making all together. Okay. And then next, one more of that kind. Okay. And then spinach. Spinach. Then go like that. Okay. think I forgot to put cheese the other one. Okay, I'm gonna put another cheese. I think I'm gonna okay. And then we're gonna put. I think we're gonna do it the okay the marshmallow first. Let's try to see. And then chocolate chips. And then another cheese. Okay. Mm. Okay, guys. Mm. Okay, we're gonna put this one here. And then I'm gonna put butter like that only. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the first cheese pork. Okay. It's not hot yet. Super. Be careful that you won't hurt yourself. Over. Okay, guys. Look at that one. And this one also. Okay. Spinach and cream cheese. Marshmallow and chocolate chips. Okay. Try to see. Mm. Okay, the marshmallow there is melting. Okay. Oh. Okay. Mhm. The other one. Mhm. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Wow, the spinach. Mm. Mm. This one is yummy. The one that there's a cream cheese. And I will try to dip with the dipping sauce. Dip in the dipping sauce. Mm. It's yummy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna finish this one first. Mm. Without a dipping sauce, it's good already. Next, the one that is cheese, pork, and onions and bell pepper. Mm. Yummy also, guys. Mm. The third one is sweet. The one that there's cheese, chocolate chips, and marshmallow. Mm. Mm. With pork also. It's yummy. Mm. It's not super sweet because there's a pork in it, but it's yummy. Sauce, because it's yummy even if there's no dipping sauce. Mm. 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 These are the cheesy ground pork quesadillas 3 ways. The first, there's a ground pork, cheese, marshmallow, and chocolate chips, and onions and pepper. And then the second is cheese, ground pork, onions, and peppers. And then the third one is cheese, ground pork, spinach, uh, cream cheese, and then onions and pepper. So that's the cheesy ground pork quesadillas 3 ways. Okay guys, it's very yummy. Okay, if you need more recipes, hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram and to all my accounts. And then to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. My favorite is the one that there's a spinach and cream cheese.